I'm Said and I'm with you with another Iranian tradition. This tradition is called Nazri. If I want to just describe it simply, it is making food or drink, making something and distribute it between people, mostly poor people, but can be also normal people. um, it happens mostly in Ramadan or in Moharam. Moharam is the month that Imam Hussein, third leader of Shi'i people, was killed in Karbala land. For example, my mother has a kind of Nazri, and she wished. What is the reason behind Nazri? Why do you make food and distribute between people? People think, okay, I wish I have a wish, I have a request from the biggest power in the world, from God, and if I reach my wish, if my problem was solved, I will do Nazri. I will make food and distribute between poor people. For example, my mother also has a Nazri. She wish if I was born healthy, she will make saffron syrup, and on 10th of Muharram, it is Ashura day, she is going to distribute between people, just people who attend in ceremony. Let me know about questions in comments.